Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add an image to a table on Microsoft Office Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Microsoft Word, and a document that we will be working on. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, locate the folder that says Word Documents, click on this. Now open up the file that's called Document. As you can see on screen, we have a table within the document we are working on. We can either insert an image that we already have in the document, or we can insert a new image. Let's insert a new image within the table. Let's now open up Finder. After we increase the size of the table, go to Finder, open up a new tab, go to my YouTube channel. I see a photo, an image on the screen, the icon for all my social media. Let's now decrease the size of the Finder window and now move the image onto the table. Just simply drag and drop, and there the image has been inserted, but the job is not done yet. We can now decrease the size of this image itself. Right click, wrap text, tight. So now the image can now be moved within the table. Let's just finish off the table. Photo, so the name, computer science videos 1000 photo. There we have it on screen. So we can now save the document, quit Word. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.